Hello my dear student. Today I am going to discuss about Edexcel IGCSE certificate in physics. Today I am going to discuss magnetism and electromagnetism. I am Jahangir. I am a physics teacher. Let's start from the beginning. First we have to learn about what is magnet. Then we have to learn about magnetic materials and types of magnetic materials, characteristics of magnet, magnetism, electromagnet and electromagnetism. First we have to learn about what is magnet. The materials which can attract iron or iron-like magnetic material and it aligns north-south direction after a while. If we suspended it freely from a suspension, then that type of material is known as magnet. So, to become a magnet, we need two characteristics. Number one, attractional properties, and another is directional properties. That's why the definition of magnet is the material which can attract iron or iron-like other magnetic materials and it aligns north-south direction. If we suspended it freely, then that type of material is known as magnet. Now magnetic materials. The materials which are attracted by magnet and can be converted into magnet by the help of other permanent magnet or electricity or electric current, flow of electric current, is known as magnetic materials. Iron, nickel, cobalt are the example of magnetic materials. Types of magnetic materials. There are two types of magnetic materials. One is hard, another is soft. That means hard magnetic material and soft magnetic material. So hard magnetic materials and soft magnetic material. So what is hard magnetic materials? The materials which are difficult to magnetized and difficult to demagnetized is known as hard magnetic material. The example of hard magnetic material is steel. So remember, permanent magnets are made of magnetically hard materials such as steel. These materials retain their magnetization once magnetized. On the other hand, soft magnetic material, the materials which are difficult, easy to magnetize and easy to demagnetize is known as soft magnetic material. Remember, magnetically soft magnetic materials such as iron lose their magnetization easily. They suitable for temporary magnets such as electromagnets. So soft magnetic materials are used to made of temporary magnet or electromagnet. Now characteristics of magnet. Mainly there are three characteristics. One is attractional properties. Number two, directional properties. Number three, magnetic poles. Attractional properties. Magnet can attract magnetic materials like iron, cobalt, nickel, and also it attracts same type magnetic poles, opposite type magnetic poles, and repel same type magnetic poles. There is a law for these attractional properties. Like pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Directional properties. If we suspended a magnet, bar magnet freely, then it align north-south direction after a while. Magnetic poles. Every magnet has two poles, north facing pole and south facing pole. The properties of magnet is known as magnetism. The properties of magnet is known as magnetism. Electromagnet. If a magnetic field is produced around a current carrying wire or coil by the help of electric current is known as electromagnet. The process of or characteristics of producing electromagnet or magnetic field around a current carrying wire or a coil by the help of electric current is known as electromagnetism. Now magnetic poles, last one. Magnetic poles. What is magnetic poles? Every magnet has two poles, north facing pole and south facing pole. So what is the magnetic poles? Magnetic poles are the parts of the magnet that exert the greatest force. Magnetic poles occur in pairs usually called north and south. So iron filings are attracted mostly to the poles of the magnet. Why poles are called north and south facing pole? A magnet suspended so that it can rotate freely horizontally will eventually settle down with one pole facing north and other pole facing south. This pole is therefore called north shaking pole and southern facing pole. The magnet has oriented by earth magnetic field. Compass is an application of this effect. So compass is made by using these properties, directional properties. So application compass. So compass is the application of the directional properties of magnet.